In this video, I will show you exactly how to master the BlowUp AI app to transform your low-resolution photos into stunning high-definition masterpieces. If you have ever taken a picture that looked a bit blurry or pixelated, you know how frustrating it can be to try and save that memory. This powerful application uses advanced artificial intelligence to add missing pixels and sharpen edges without making the image look fake or overprocessed. To get started, you simply open the app and tap the large Upload button to select a photo from your library. Once your image is loaded, you can choose from different enhancement models depending on whether you are working with a portrait, a landscape, or even digital art. I recommend trying the Ultra Clear mode for most photos because it provides the best balance of sharpness and natural texture. After you select your settings, the app takes just a few seconds to process the data using its deep learning algorithms. You can then use the slider tool to compare the before and after results in real time. If the image looks perfect, just hit the Save button to export it directly to your phone in full resolution. This tool is perfect for printing old phone photos or improving social media posts.